everyone, welcome to our first lesson of African drum with singing. Today, I am going to teach you a song called Iyeza Imitente. Iyeza Imitente means the healers are coming. It is a Zulu song used to celebrate and emulating enthusiasm, reflecting the Zulu roots, bringing healing and restoration to the community. Firstly, I am going to teach you the drum beats, then after I am going to teach you the first verse of our song. Our drum beat goes like this: tone, 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 bass tone, bass tone. Now we are going to try it on the drum. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I am going to sing the first verse, and then we are going to sing it together. It goes like this. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uyizwile ukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. We are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. Uluzwi lukhozi lumemezile ezintabeni, iyeza imitente, iyeza imitente, uyola lungalele wena ndoda ngoba unovalo, uyizwile imitente. This is the end of our first lesson of African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.